Welcome friends to my channel. I am Dr. TC Paul. We are going to learn antonyms which are very much important for Bank PO, SSC and other government exams. There are 8 antonyms are given in the board. Let us learn one by one and I will get you Hindi information of all these antonyms for your better understanding. These are the repetitions of your day-to-day English learning process. Well, first one I have written abjure, or the similar meaning is called forsake or renounce. That means if you say abjure or if you say forsake or renounce, the opposite meaning will be approve. I mean, these all three words have got the meaning of rejection, right? Renounce is a type of rejection. Forsake also leave away something. Abjure means not to accept something. So it's called opposite word of approve. Now when you talk about number 2, it's called abject. So abject or despicable or servile is called praiseworthy. When you do not like something, it's called abjecting, right? Unlikable. Despicable means the person who is not good in nature or very bad or wrong. Or servile, the person who is always doing a favor of someone for getting or earning money is called servile. Opposite to is called praiseworthy, right? Number 3 is called proliferate or flourish. When you talk about proliferate, then we talk about the flourish. Flourish means to expand in many ways. So opposite to flourish and proliferate is called destitute. When talk about decipher or reveal, the similar meaning has got the opposite meaning is called distort. Well, artifice, opposite to it is called veracity. Number 6, defile. Defile means which is not right in the sense of God, right in the sense of your peace, right? Which is not sanctified or which doesn't have sanctity is called defile or dirty, right? Or opposite to defile is called sanctity or pious. Opaque or piled, opposite to it is called sparse. Sparse means spread like, right? Now opaque is without any good knowledge. Piled means very sharp. Deride, mock or taunt is called the meaning opposite to is called inspire or motivate. Friends, let me explain all these words in Hindi for your understanding. Well, abjure means leave away or त्याग करना. Forsake means do not like or leave or give up is called forsake, त्यागना. Renounce means छोड़ देना और approve means मंजूरी देना. और नंबर 2 abject means जो निकृष्ट होता है उसको abject बोलता है. Despicable means नीच. नीच मतलब जिसका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा नहीं है, जो बिहेवियर ख़राब है, जो बात विचार में बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है, उसको डेस्पिकेबल बोलता है. सर्वाइल चापलूसी करना, किसी के लिए उल्टा सीधा बात करना, उसी को सर्वाइल बोलता है. और प्रेसवर्ती का अर्थ प्रशंसनीय. अब नंबर 3 में प्रोलिफरेट का अर्थ होता है संख्या बढ़ाना, नंबर को बढ़ाना. फ्लोरिश का मतलब होता है फैलना फूलना. और डेस्टिट्यूट का मतलब होता है बेसहारा, जिसका सहारा नहीं है, यानी कि शून्य है, जीरो. नंबर 4 में डेसिफर मतलब समझाना. रिवील मतलब प्रकट होना, सामने आना. डिस्ट्रॉय का मतलब बिगाड़ देना, किसी चीज़ को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देना, राइट, तोड़ देना. आर्टिफाइस का मतलब चालाकी और वेरासिटी का मतलब सच्चाई. अब नंबर 6 में डिफाइल मीन्स गंदा या अपवित्र और सैंक्टिटी मीन्स शुद्धि और पवित्र. नंबर 7 में ओपाक मीन्स मूर्ख पाइल्ड का अर्थ होता है नकीला और धार जैसा, और स्पार्स का मतलब कम घना, ज़्यादा नहीं है। नंबर 8 में डेराइड का मतलब मजाक उड़ाना, राइट। मॉक का मतलब नकली या हंसी मजाकी, और टॉन्ट का मतलब ताना मारना किसी को, और इंस्पायर का मतलब होता है प्रेरित करना या मोटिवेट करना। थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू।